Well, 2022 was a great year for the manufacturing industry in the Miami Valley as businesses grew and expanded in the region.
Dayton is becoming one of the largest manufacturing centers in the country with close to 2,500 companies doing business here. I spoke with industry leaders to find out what's next for this booming industry.
People are starting to call us to say, we want to be in Dayton.
The Miami Valley is on the front line of an American manufacturing resurgence. The industry now makes up roughly 15% of Dayton's workforce, bringing in billions of dollars to the local economy. According to new data from the Dayton Development Coalition, the industry saw continued growth in 2022, with companies adding more jobs and increasing annual payroll.
Our manufacturers serve a diverse set of markets, so that makes our manufacturing base protected from hits on certain sectors because they many of them can shift to a different industry as the market ebbs and flows.
The numbers are promising for a region that saw economic downturn as manufacturing plants closed in the early 2000s. But industry leaders say that changed over the last few years, with companies turning to the Miami Valley to do business. Part of that can be attributed to the work being done in schools, showing the younger generation the benefits of going into a manufacturing career.
Because of the great work the DRMA does and the CTCs, our high schools, and being more active in use science and some of these aptitude tests for younger kids that kind of direct them where to go. The average wage right now, $79,589, just under $80,000. And they don't care if you're 18 or if you're 28 when you start.
The Dayton Development Coalition is predicting even greater growth in 2023 with the addition of thousands of more jobs and the expansion and construction of dozens of more facilities.
We have more manufacturing in this region than anywhere else in the country, to the extent that it's almost double of your typical place in the United States.